question.
What have I done?
In the 30 years of independence.
If there is anything I've done.
What is it?
How did I do it?
During the 30 years of my country's independence.
What did I do? And if there is nothing I've done?
What must I do and when?
When? Where?
If I'm told to ask myself a question.
There is only one question now, and that is, listen.
What have I done for God and my country during the 30 years of my country's independence? Muna Uganda sembeire mu mirembe gireja banana. Muna Uganda sembeire mu mirembe gireja banana. Muna Uganda sembeire mu mirembe fast. Muna Uganda sembeire mu mirembe
Fast, Mama.
Muna Uganda
Chi.
Muna Uganda
Chochi.
Muna Uganda kulembeire mu mirembe gireja. Muna Uganda kulembeire mu mirembe 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 mirembe.
Muna Uganda kulembeire mu mirembe.
Fast. Muna Uganda kulembeire mu mirembe fast, Mama.
I nearly failed to make you. Cannot believe this.
Let us really change.
How come I was born success of dualism?
I still don't believe the telephones are working.
I saw my city newspaper.
See, I'm not pen.
There are too many cats in the city.
Oh, the British are back.
In Indian food. Chukuzanyidemu chalamurana.
Mugulike mbaka. Mbaka ya nyumana. The church is closed. There are not too many cats in the city.
If what life is cheap.
Oh,
Some of us.
Historical member. No, I know, right?
The vice president is 78.
The president is 47.
oh.
I am 30 years old. Now, where were you born? To fall in love. Of course.
The task of liberation is no longer the responsibility of freedom fighters.
It has been given to the condoms.
Genesis. In the beginning, Allah created man.
It was God.
Allah.
God.
Okay, man was created.
Yes, with a woman.
Eve.
Adam was the man.
Eve was tempted.
By a serpent.
And man was told,
All you eat,
will be from your sweat.
and today all you eat is from
Money pockets.
sex pockets.
Pockets of them.
Is Uganda well known?
Yes, all over the world.
One.
If you are me.
Two.
Cause, trees, shillings, nothing.
coffee,
Gorillas.
Six.
Sex.
Seven.
7.
8.
8.
9.
Indians. 90 minutes at 10.
10.
We better trade in that. We better trade in the 10 commandments.
we
We go taste the preferential trade area. PTA. Merchant Association.
Produce for exports.
Grandma coffee. Grandma gata. Grandma PD. Grandma guy. Grandma coffee. Grandma constitution. Zemogera sibitegera.
Amen.
I'll continue.
Toteka.
I'll continue.
Sippy. Are you busy?
I'll continue.
Enara M.
I'll continue.
Fede. Fuwa. Funa. Fudu.
I'll continue.
Happy Africa sings.
I'll continue.
Embarasasa.
I'll continue.
Happy Africa sings.
I'll continue.
Kuruma.
I'll continue.
Kabuta.
I'll continue.
Shaka. Mandela. Say.
I'll continue.
Ruegula. Nyerere Sengo.
I'll continue.
Harambe.
I'll continue.
Harambe.
I'll continue.
Happy Africa sings.
I'll continue.
Happy Africa sings.
I'll continue.
Unange namgereka